In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Mailchimp pop-up into your Wix site. If you're looking to boost your email list and engage with your visitors in a more dynamic way, then integrating a Mailchimp pop-up is a fantastic strategy. Let's walk through the entire process, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. First, you want to open your Wix site or editor. If you're not already familiar, Wix offers a user-friendly platform that allows you to build and manage your website with ease. Now, in the Wix environment, navigate to the Apps section, or alternatively, search for Add Apps, which will take you to the Wix app market. This marketplace is a treasure trove of functionalities that you can add to enhance your site, all at your fingertips. In the app market, you'll need to search for the relevant integration. Here, a great option is Mailchimp Forms by Mailmunch. It's a well-regarded choice, proven to streamline this process effectively. Once you've located it, go ahead and add it to your site. This involves just a few clicks. After adding the app, you'll be prompted to install and grant the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard part of integrating third-party apps and is essential for seamless data exchange between your Wix site and Mailchimp. Now comes an exciting part: creating your pop-up campaign within the app. You'll want to choose the pop-up type that best suits your website's design and aesthetic needs. Typically, you'll have several options to choose from beyond just the basics, so feel free to select a style that speaks to your brand voice. Following that, you'll connect your newly created form to your Mailchimp account. This step is crucial as it ensures that any data your visitors input through the pop-up is seamlessly transferred to your Mailchimp audience. During this authorization, you'll also map the necessary fields like names and email addresses to ensure that all information is captured correctly. Next, it's time to configure your pop-up settings. Consider elements like when you want the pop-up to appear on the screen. Do you prefer it to emerge after a certain delay, as users scroll, or upon exit intent? Additionally, pay attention to design, templates, and positioning options. The more you tailor it to your audience's preferences, the more effective it will be at capturing those coveted emails. Finally, once you're happy with your configuration, save your settings and hit Publish. It's always a great practice to test it live on your site afterward. Ensure that not only does the pop-up appear smoothly, but also that any submitted information goes directly to your Mailchimp audience list, just as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated a Mailchimp pop-up on your Wix site. Enjoy watching your email list grow as your visitors engage with your tailor-made pop-up campaign. Happy integrating!